5.4 million users' information on the auction block of a hacking forum. That's just the opening chapter of a chilling cyber saga that unfolded in 2022. The Twitter breach, a digital Pandora's box that revealed secrets, shook the cyber realm, and left millions vulnerable. Fast forward to January 2023, a turning point in the cyber world. Attackers took a quantum leap, scraping not just a few, but a staggering 400 million users' public and private data from Twitter. Your tweets, messages, and personal info out there up for grabs on the dark web. The flaw allowing this excessive data exposure was a digital gate left wide open, a gateway to a world of potential chaos. But here's the chilling truth. This breach didn't just expose ordinary users, it left high-profile figures, celebrities, politicians, activists, wide open to a chilling array of threats: social engineering, targeted phishing attacks, identity theft. The arsenal of potential dangers is vast. The vulnerability of these influential figures paints a dark picture of what's at stake in our interconnected digital world. As we wrap up this cyber thriller, remember, even the platforms we trust can falter. The aftermath of the Twitter breach serves as a cautionary tale. If this information has piqued your interest and you want to know more about such data breach cases, then click on this video to know how 885 million of sensitive data was breached by notorious hackers, the first American financial corp data leak in 2019. Thank you.